In this video, we're going to explore about Grow with Google and see what are the options available for you and for small businesses and for starting a new career from this web page. We'll provide the link of the URL in description. If you are new to our channel, go and subscribe and press the bell icon to get videos like this, and press the like button if you like this video. Let's go to the Grow with Google and see, get the right skills to reach new opportunities. What can we help you with, like my business, my career, and future, like secure your data on device, and explore like future stay safe while you are online, and get new skills for your digital world. Stand out on Google with your free business profile, and which size lessons to better your business. Right? If you go and look for my business, what are the curated resources for you available here? For my career, curated resource for you is available here. Let's first go and explore my business and what are the resources available here, like bring your business online, sell and deliver online, and engage your customer, reach the right audience with ads, understand your customer needs, grow your customer base, and top resources for Google Pay for business and Google Ads, like Google, and the use cases of this, like how a local gym in India keeps use of this product from Google, and you can able to see the videos from here, and with Google and other use cases were available here. Let's go and see for small businesses what are the products Google has been providing now. Small business, if you can see Google for small business are the backbone of our economy and communities. Let's explore this page and you can see the use cases who have used this product from the YouTube video here, and helpful products for your business, like update your business profile on Google, accept contactless digital payments, update your Google Ads campaign, run your business remotely, and Google Meet and Google Drive and other option can be available here. Like down special offers to help your business come online, like 3-month free for Zoho, get your business online with Zoho, and 6-month free for Instamojo, get a free subscription to premium online store for 6 months, and free trials and no sign up fee for Dunzo, get fast hassle-free delivery through Dunzo, and then Swiggy 7-day fast track onboarding. Swiggy onboard your restaurants on Swiggy in flat 7 days, and small solves for small business, and helping quick help videos will be available here. You can watch now from here. Also free digital skills training, digital unlock, trainer app, and skill shop, where you can master the Google tools you use to work with free online training. Like Google grow your business at your own pace with flexible and personalized free training courses designed to help you build your business presence online. Likewise, Primer app is a free mobile application by Google designed to teach digital marketing and business skills to small and medium business owners and startups. Likewise, if you go and also see the small business, if you go to the home, you can also see the tools and learn skills available here. Use tool cases and learn skill. Go and click this learn skill and see what are the options: paid certification, free certification, and beginners and advanced courses to grow your career and start a new career is available. What would you like to learn? Get the right skill to grow your business or reach your career goals. And career goals: start a career, difficulty beginner, intermediate, advanced, under duration, and then type, free course, free certification, and paid certification. Like you can build your own brand by create online presence, YouTube beginner and digital advanced beginner, and then other courses will be available. You can explore through scrolling through this page. You can know what are the options available from the Google Ads for your customer and you for your business strategy, and you can explore and use the Google products to grow your customer base, and other courses will be available here in the PDF format also. Digital marketing, digital beginner for 40 hours with certification, and other skill shop beginner course also available to master Google Ads, learn the essential skills to run your business, and innovating with tech like Google develops beginners course and Udacity, and also available here. Go and explore through this page and learn and grow with Google by using the Google products and create your own business. And you can also use the offer which you can explore through this page, and we will provide the link in the description. You can also go at the end. It's based on India English, as if you are from other country you can explore your offers and learning skills and new skill from here also. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the video, and press a like to get videos like this. Thanks.